Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you a Valentine's Day look. To get started, I'm going to be doing my brows. I used the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in Espresso. I'm going to be cleaning this up with my foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. eye primer and then just patting it in with my finger. For eyeshadows, I'm using the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and with the color Bear, I'm going to be putting that on my crease with a fluffy brush. I'm using the Anastasia one, the one that came in like one of those palettes. After that, I'm going to use the color Sculpt and also placing that in my crease, but this time with a crease brush. It's a little bit bigger than the next brush I'm going to use. And I'm just going to be blending out the edges so that it doesn't look too harsh. I'm going to use the color Vivid now, and I'm going to place that on my crease as well, but this time with a smaller crease brush. And I'm just going to keep on building the intensity until I'm happy with the color. And again, blending it out just so that it doesn't have any harsh lines. Now I'm using a clean blending brush to blend everything out. Okay, so all I'm doing now is just adding more color till I'm happy with what I have. Okay, so now I'm going to do something different. I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Boss. So I'm using that to like cut the crease. And honestly, it's gonna look pretty harsh, but trust me, it's gonna work out. Now with the color Snatched, I'm gonna be placing that on top of the liquid lipstick. And then what I'm using is the same color Vivid, and blending out the edges just so that it doesn't look too harsh, because as you saw, it looked pretty harsh. And then again, I'm using a blending brush and just blending everything away. Now with the color Muse, I'm going to be placing that on the outer corners. I wanted it to have a little bit more dimension, and just so that it doesn't look all one color, I wanted a little bit of darkness on the outer. And because I felt like the red kind of went away, just added a little bit more red. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using my trusty Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. And yeah, my eyeliner. With the same colors that I used in the beginning, I'm just putting that on my bottom lash line, just so that it doesn't look too naked in there. For highlight, I'm using Hustla Baby by Fenty Beauty, just placing that on my inner corners and on the brow bone. Now I'm just going to be putting on some mascara, and the lashes that I use are actually from Amazon. I'll try to link them down below. For lips, I'm using the Jordana retractable pencil in the shade Rock and Rose, and also the color Savage. It's a velvet liquid lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics, and a gloss called Cupid, also by Kylie Cosmetics. Anyways, ladies, this is the final look. I really hope you girls enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and comment down below what other looks you want to see next. See you next time.